The Wind Peak, offshore wind contractor Cadeler's first new P-class vessel, built here at the COSCO shipyard in China, is designed to be offshore wind's new workhorse for larger, modern wind turbines. It sets a new bar for installation vessels, carrying and lifting heavier components in less time with less fuel. The key is its unique engine configuration.
The Wind Peak includes medium-speed and high-speed engines. The different outputs of the engines make it possible to answer the fluctuating power requests of the vessel. This means the engines can run in a good load area, which leads to low fuel consumption and low emissions.
The mix of medium and high-speed engines on the Wind Peak frees up weight for more loading and makes it easier to lift the vessel out of the water. The high-speed engines are perfect for covering peak loads, like lifting the Wind Peak above sea level or stabilizing its position when the sea gets rough, while medium-speed engines are ideal for base load operations. And both engine types can be adapted to run on carbon-neutral fuels like green methanol. Wind Peak is just the first of 6 wind turbine installation vessels Cadeler is adding to their fleet to meet the new demands of the offshore wind industry and support the energy transition.
Wind offshore industry plays a vital role in reducing carbon emissions in electricity production and is therefore creating a demand for vessels of all kinds active in this area. We have the right technology at hand to answer all requirements. We are happy to be part of a carbon-neutral future.